Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So finally Realme launched their Realme X3 with 12 megapixel telephoto camera and Snapdragon 855 plus chipset. After introducing the Realme X3 Super Zoom last month, now Realme followed it up with the non-Pro X3, as the name suggests that the Realme X3 lacks the periscope module found on the Super Zoom Realme X3 option for the conventional 12 megapixel telephoto camera instead. Another difference comes in the selfie camera department, where the Realme X3 pack a 16 megapixel primary shooter and an 8 megapixel ultra wide snapper in a similar looking a pill shaped cutout. Apart from the camera difference and storage configuration, the Realme X3 is identical to the Super Zoom. Up front we have a 6.6-inch FHD plus IPS LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate and the dual punch hole cutout. The fingerprint scanner still resides on the right hand side. Around the back we find the same 64 megapixel primary shooter alongside 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel module and the new 12 megapixel telephoto snapper capable of 2x optical zoom. Last year, Snapdragon 855 Plus sits at the helium alongside 6 gigs of RAM or 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of UFS 3.0 storage. The phone boots Android 10 with the Realme UI on top. The battery comes in at 4200 mAh and support 30-watt wired fast top-ups. The Realme X3 will be available in blue and white, two colors, and started $330 for the 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. There are also 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage version available in $343, and both are scheduled to go on a sale on June 30 via Realme web store and Flipkart, with the offline store availability to follow shortly after. Flipkart will be taking pre-order starting on June 25. So guys, this is the new Realme X3. The screen refresh rate is 120Hz refresh rate and 20:9 screen with a 6.6 IPS LCD big screen, and this phone has a dual SIM, and the weight of this phone is 202 grams and it has a Gorilla Glass 5. The UFS 3.0 storage and card slot is not available. 4 camera and 4K at 60 fps video recording and 720p at 960 fps video recording. This is a great, and front has a 2 camera, so 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel front. Video recording is 1080p at 30 fps, and 3.5mm headphone jack is not available, and the phone is non-removable. Battery 4200 mAh and fast water charging is 30 watt, and it can fill 100% in just 55 minutes. 2 color option, and the price already I tell you that the price starting is $330 for a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, and 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage is $343. So let me know in the comment section, are you like this smartphone, and make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.